Affiliate marketing tips so you can get started. As fun as planning for the success of your online business may seem, it is a very important reason to start creating an affiliate marketing strategy, even if you have a strategy already. These tips below can give you some advice on how to market your business smarter using affiliates. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. Once you have a proven success rate, it may be time to ask the program for a raise. If you are able to generate sales and are able to market successfully, the program will want to keep you on board and will do whatever it takes. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ensure that your affiliate company offers resources that help you to generate sales. These resources should include banners and text links, as well as templates for recommendation letters. An affiliate company should be willing to help you earn as many commissions as possible. While planning to use affiliate marketing for your own online business is a lot of fun, you should feel better that you know how to do it. You can now apply your newly acquired knowledge either to refining your current marketing strategy or trying to create a completely new one. Student loan.